Hello to my future employers. I'm Elisa Malandog, 39 years old, single from Philippines. I am college undergraduate and also a vocational graduate as a caregiver course. I have work experience in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia and Hong Kong for almost 4 years as domestic helper. My main duties are taking care of 5 years old children. I prepare their meal, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Take a bath and grooming. Sending school. I also teach them basic English. I play with them when we have free time. I also do household chores like cleaning the house, cooking, ironing and laundering clothes. Sometimes I do marketing. To my future employers, I promise that I will obey and follow all your rules and regulations. I will treat your family like my own. I am obedient, trustworthy, and hardworking. Thank you.